Hello there everybody, Rich Blaster here from RWAPAT Limited. I hope you're all having an awesome day. This is just a quick video on a follow-on from the Zoom call I had the other day, and I've looked at this quick qualification here. It's called the EAL Level 2 Diploma in Electrical Installation. Just thinking, what do you think about this course? It looks like this is the beginning of the routine. Somewhere else it does say it's suitable for 16 to 19 year olds, but then I've got to think that it also says that it's also suitable for adult learners looking to change career into qualifying for an electrician. And it looks like my local college does do it. However, this is last year's start date, so hopefully in 2021 they'll offer it again. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Of course, I'm still going to have to get experience. I have put a Facebook post out the other day, and I've also put a post out on LinkedIn, and I'll probably do a video asking for basically work experience, but I'll put that in another video. Hopefully you found this video enjoyable. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you all soon. Ta-ta for now.